got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm dirty, yes, I'm dirty.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Sephora haul. I recently picked up a couple of things from Sephora, so I just wanted to show y'all what I got, but I did it a little differently. Instead of just pulling stuff out and showing y'all everything I bought, I wanted to demonstrate some of the products too, so there is going to be a little bit of like a get ready with me in the video. I'm ready to jump right into showing you everything that I got, but before we get started, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, that you give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a video. I made it real aesthetic-y for y'all. Okay, it's holiday season. I got the Christmas tree in the back. Okay, let's get started. So before I jump into the makeup things that I got, I just want to show you guys two things that I bought that are not makeup. First thing is this body wash from Necessaire. She's pretty, like almost halfway gone. I love this body wash. It smells so good. My skin feel really good. I got it in the Eucalyptus scent. It smells really good. I love how it feels on my skin. I love the lather, all of that. Next, I have some hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I love The Ordinary as a brand. Almost all of my skincare is from The Ordinary. I think everything except my face wash is from The Ordinary. I like hyaluronic acid. I do have acne prone skin. I break out like crazy if I don't take care of my skin. I just wanted a new hyaluronic acid, and since I use The Ordinary everything else, I just got that one from The Ordinary. Okay, so now we can jump into makeup. So the first thing you're going to see me use in the video is this lip balm, and it's from Smith's. I used to use the regular Rosebud Salve, but this one is the Menthol and Eucalyptus balm. I just like it because it gives that little tingly feeling on my lips, and I needed a lip balm, and I'm so glad I went back to that one from Smith's. The Smith's brand lip balms are top tier. So that's like a little small thing, but it's so important. I love that lip balm. So the next thing is my brow pencil, and I got it from HUDA Beauty. Is the hashtag Balm Brows Microshade brow pencil in the shade 6 Rich Brown. I'm always on the hunt for a brow pencil. I think this was on sale when I bought it. I'm not sure. I want to say it was. I like it because the pencil is so thin. I'm in the process of growing my brows out to reshape them. So sometimes filling them in, they can get a little hectic. They can look real blocky. But using a pencil like that with a really thin tip, make sure that my eyebrows stay looking natural, because I can do thinner strokes so they look like hair strokes instead of like markers. To carve out my eyebrows and also as my highlighting concealer, I use the Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless concealer, and I use the shade number 7. I really only bought this because it looks like a pencil. Like, I'm that childish. I do like this concealer. It's really full coverage. I want to get it in some different shades because number 7 is pretty light, and I like the consistency, but I want to pick up some different shades for when I don't want like that super duper highlighted look. I am going out of order in the way I did my face really quickly because I want to show y'all the interesting stuff last. I'm going to skip over my eyeshadow to my face powder. I bought this powder from Bite Beauty. I have never purchased anything from Bite Beauty. Like I said, a lot of stuff that I was buying is on sale, and I did want a new face powder. I'm always looking for a new face powder. Changemaker Flexible Coverage Pressed Powder. I got the shade Deep 2, which is the darkest shade, which is like, girl, it's not my lighting. This ain't dark. Kind of helps because my foundation is a little orange usually, and that powder is more on the neutral side, so it kind of balances it out. Now I'm going to move on to my last 3 things, and they are the most interesting to me. They're all eyeshadow palettes. I'm just going to show you guys in the order of excitement for me. First eyeshadow palette is from Fenty Beauty. It's from their Snap Shadows. I got the Snap Shadows in 3 deep neutrals. This is what the packaging looks like on the outside. These are the shades. It's like a small little throw in your bag type of palette. Pretty neutrals. They're super pigmented. I used the orange shade in here today because I was just trying to use all 3 of the palettes that I have. It's pretty. It's really pigmented. Formula is really good, but I mean, it's expensive. see their formulas are always bomb. And I know I'm going to use the holy crap out of that palette because it has all the neutrals that I love. So the next palette I have is the Violet Voss Tie-Dye 4 palette. I've been buying a lot of Violet Voss palettes. I know what it is. It's just like every time I see their palettes, they stand out to me. I really like this one because the colors, they are so pretty. Those 8 pretty colorful shades, and then that whole bottom row of just basic ass neutrals. I love it. I love it. I love it. So last but absolutely positively never least on the list, I have my Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey Artistry palette. That was a tongue twister. Look at the packaging. This design is pretty as hell. Like, it just looks like an art piece. And you have all your shades. All over my lid, I took this shade right here. The camera just can't do it justice. It has all these pretty shades. I'm pretty sure the palette is limited edition. I think it was like $70, but it's worth it. This is a palette that you're gonna have for a long time. Just get yourself a Christmas gift. Okay, $70. That is the end of my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you saw some products that you want to try out for yourself. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, check the description box because I will put everything that I named for you guys in the video down there. And until next time, I will see you later.